So yun, magandang gabi sa ating lahat. So, ako nga po ulit si Brian Isrodado. Ayan. So, yung topic natin ngayon ay Philippine National Police, Law and History. Nauna yung final coaching nyo, no? Sa regular lecture. Nakaligtaan. Okay, so yun. Ako ulit si Brian Escudado. Graduate ako sa City of Malabon University. And ayan. So, umpisa na natin. So mag-uumpisa tayo sa uh, ayan, no. Listen, look and listen and learn daw, sabi ng Tibo. Okay. So mag-umpisa tayo sa definition ng police. So what is police? It is the governmental department charged with the regulation and control of the affairs of a community. Now, chiefly, the department established to maintain order and enforce the law and prevent and detect crime. So ito yung trabaho ng police. To maintain order, enforce the law, and isasend ko rin to PowerPoint mamaya sa inyo para meron kayong personal copy. At least mababalik-balikan nyo. Mahina ang boses ko. Delay ang teka lang, ililipat ko ng ng network ng Wi-Fi. Mahina pala talaga ang Wi-Fi ngayon. Teka lang po, ililipat po natin ang network ng Wi-Fi. Ayan guys, okay na ba? Okay na ba? Yan, okay. So, start na tayo ulit. So, what is police? The government department charged with the regulation and control of the affairs of community. Now, chiefly, the department established to maintain order and enforce the law and prevent and detect crime. Yan, ito yung trabaho ng police, to maintain order, enforce the law, and prevent and detect crime. So, first of all, saan nga ba nanggaling ang salitang police? So, nag-originate yan kay Greek word. Nagbigay sila ng word na police, na ang ibig sabihin ay state or government. Bukod sa police, ayan. Okay. Okay. Bukod sa police, nagbigay din sila ng salitang, ba't di gumagana? Ayan. Politia. Nang ibig sabihin, government of the city. Ngayon, nainggit yung Roman. So nagbigay din sila ng sarili nilang word. Ano naman yon? Yan naman ang politia. Ang ibig sabihin naman ay condition of the government. Itong word na police ay nanggaling talaga yan, nanggaling yan sa salitang French. Yan, French. Nang ibig sabihin yan, officer de la paix. Pangasiwa ng batas, tagapagpatupad ng batas. Yan yung ibig sabihin ng officer de la paix. Okay? Naintindihan? Naintindihan ba, guys? Anong ibig sabihin ng police? So, yun nga. Kung naintindihan nyo, try na nating sagutan ito. Try nating sagutan ito. The word police was derived from Greek word blank, which means government of the city. It is Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Delta. Greek. Yan. Very good. That is Charlie. So let's move on. What is policing? Policing to control, regulate, or keep in order by use of police. According to the Manning, 1977, ito ay libro. Policing literally means controlling, monitoring, tracking, and altering if required public conduct. So guys, ang policing pala ay ang tawag sa paggamit ng pulis. Yan. Ang policing ang tawag sa paggamit ng pulis. Mamaya after ng lecture, isasend ko sa inyo to para may bababalikan kayo. Yan. Okay, continue tayo. Yan. Dito tayo sa theories of police service. Meron tayong continental tsaka home rule. Dito sa continental is the theory of police service which maintains that police officers are servants of the higher authorities. So ayan, servant sila sa mga matataas. O sige po, isasend ko. Natin, i-PDF natin to. This year, ayan, mamaya na tayo mag-ano, no? Para tuloy-tuloy yung discussion natin. Isasend ko naman din. And servants of the higher authorities. This theory prevails in the continental countries like France, Italy, and Spain. So dito sa continental, ang pulis ay alagad sila ng mga nangunguna sa bansa nila like president, mayors, ganyan, senators. That is the continental theory. Pero dito sa home rule theory, nagbago yan. This theory is of police service which maintains that police officers are servant of the community. Ayan, sa community na sila nagsiserve. Ayan. This theory prevails in England and United States. It is also police service which prevails in the country which decentralized from the government. Okay? Okay, so continue. Try nga natin sagutan ito. Ayan. Servants of higher authority. Pag servants naman ng ng community, ano ang tawag? Yan. Home rule. Very good. Okay. Yan. Dito tayo sa concept of police service. All police service states that yardstick of police proficiency relies on the numbers of arrests. Pag sinabi natin yardstick, yan ay sukatan. Dito sa old police service, mas marami ang na-arrest, mas magaling ang pulis, mas ma-effective daw ang pulis. Pero dito sa modern police service, nagbago 'yan. Kasi dito sa old police service masyado yung magastos, no? Unang-una, sa pulis maraming trabaho. Maraming dadalhin sa prosecutor, 'di ba? Sa korte maraming lilitisin, maraming nakukulong. Yung budget sa gobyerno natin is nagkukulang, no? Kaya maraming salamat kay Sir Robert Peel. siya yung father of modern policing. Dito sa modern police service, nagbago 'yan. Dito nagkaroon ng more on community policing na lang, no? Main goal is crime prevention. Ayan. Tapos dito sa modern police service, mas mababa ang crime, mas magaling ang pulis. So walang nakukulong, mas magaling ang pulis. Okay? Naintindihan? Opo, ayan. Opo, taga Malabon po ako. Yan, naintindihan po ba? Yun. Yan, andito na tayo sa Philippine National Police. Sa favorite topic. Okay? Dito tayo sa sabi ng Article 16 Section 6 of the Philippine Constitution provides that the state shall be established and maintain one police force which shall be national in scope and civilian in character, to be administered and controlled by the NAPOLCOM and authority of local executives over the police units of their jurisdiction shall be provided for by law. Yan yung related laws sa ating PNP. Dito sa particular dito sa yung employment may nagsusulat. Teka lang. May nagsusulat. So yun, balik tayo. Baka hindi lang naman siguro sadya na pindot lang. Yan. Okay na yan, okay na. Hindi lang sadya yan. Okay? So, continue tayo. Participation of local government executive in the administration of the PNP under the RA 8551. Nagbigay silang definition ng employment. It refers the utilization of units or elements of the PNP for purpose of protection of lives, property, enforcement of laws, maintenance of prevention and crimes, arrest of criminal offender, and bring the offenders to the justice and ensuring public safety, particularly in the suppression of disorders, riots, lawlessness, violence, rebellion, and sedition, conspiracy, insurgency, and cyber evasion of the other related activities. Yan. Ang ibig sabihin daw pala ng employment ay ang paggamit sa mga pulis para i-address itong mga problemang ito. Ayan. Nagbigay pa sila ng isa pang definition definition ng deployment din. Shall mean the orderly and organized physical movement of elements or units of the PNP within the province, city, or municipality for the purpose of employment of her indefined. Yan. Yan yung physical movement. Ang tawag dito, nilalagay na sila sa iba-ibang lugar. Ayan. That is the deployment. Ayan. So, okay na. Huwag na mag-away sa chat box. Ito yung related laws dyan. Republic Act number 4864, otherwise known as Police Act of 1966. An act creating the Commission of the Police Commission or POLCOM, amending revising the law related to the local police system and for other purposes. Yan. Siya yun yung nagbago sa dating ginagawa ng police, yung like local police system, at yan din ang nag-create ng NAPOLCOM as agency mandatory by the 1987 Constitution and the major police reform laws, which is the RA 6975 and 8551, to administer and control the PNP. And na-approve yan noong August 8, 1966. Remember that, guys, ha? Okay? Dito tayo sa National Police Commission. In 1966, Congress enacted RA 4864, known as the Police Act of 1966, to provide foundation for the much-needed police reform in the country. So, ibig sabihin, guys, ito yung nagdagdag ng kapangyarihan sa ating PNP. So, power and function and exercise, administrative control and operation supervision over the PNP. Yan. By the way, guys, si NAPOLCOM ay under yan ng Office of the President, ha? And hindi siya under ng DILG. Yan ay attached agency ng DILG. The NAPOLCOM is composed of ex-official chairperson, 4 regular commissioner, and chief PNP of ex-official member, one of whom is designated by the president. Pipili si president ng vice chairperson. The DILG secretary is the ex-official chairperson, while the vice chairperson is the executive officer of the commission. The ex-official chairperson and 4 commissioners constitute the commission proper, which is served as the governing body. Yan. One must be woman dito, guys, sa regular commissioner. So ito nga yung illustration dyan. 6 yan. So unang-una dyan si secretary, ang ating ex-official chairman, si DILG secretary, vice chairman or executive officer, si regular commissioner. Tapos civilian representative as regular commissioner, tsaka 1 must be woman, representative, regular commissioner. Tapos yung ex-official commissioner natin ay si Chief PNP. Okay. Okay, so let's move. Yan. Related laws ulit. Presidential Decree 765. Dito pala sa guys, dito sa 765, walang kailangan na educational treatment yung police diyan dati. Otherwise known as Police Integration Law, the INP was composed of PC as the nucleus and the Integrated Police Jail and Fire Force components, approved by August 8, 1975. Okay? So, ayan. Related laws ulit. Republic Act number 6975, otherwise known as Department of Interior and Local Government Act of, or known as the DILG Act of 1990. It created the Philippine National Police, PNP Bureau of Jail Management and Penology, BJMP or BJMP, Bureau of Fire Protection or BFP, and the Philippine Public Safety College or PPFC. It is approved on December 30, 1990. Yan, dito na tayo sa Department of Interior and Local Government. And on December 13, 1990, the DILG became into what is known as Department of the Interior and Local Government. By virtue of RA 6975, which also created the Tri-Bureau and the Philippine Public Safety College. With ano yung Tri-Bureau natin? Yan yung Philippine National Police, Bureau of Fire Protection, and Bureau of Jail Management and Penology. Yan. The DIL shall consist of the department proper, the PPSC, and the following bureaus: PNP, BFP, and the BJMP. The department proper consists of the Office of the Secretary. Dalawang undersecretaries, one for the local, and one for the local government, and one for the peace and order, and 3 assistant secretaries. Okay? Related laws, Republic Act 8551, otherwise known as the PNP Reform and Reorganization Act of 1998. The law follows the Declaration of the States for establish the highly efficient and competent police force, which is the national in scope and civilian in character. Alright, administered and controlled by NAPOLCOM, approved by February 25, 1998. Another related laws, Republic Act 9708. Okay. Republic Act 9708, an act standing for 5 years for the reglementary period for complying with the minimum education qualification for appointment to the PNP. By the way, guys, dun sa 6975, kung sa PD 765 ay no education requirements, sa 6975 nagkaroon ng kahit at least 72 units. Dito sa 9708, yan, na-required sila na bachelor, ay sa 8551. 8551, yan. Na-required niya ng dapat bachelor degree holder ang isang PNP personnel. Ngayon, dito sa 9708, an act standing for 5 years for the reglementary period complying with minimum educational qualification for appointment to the PNP and adjusting the promotion system thereof, amending for the purpose of the pertinent provision of RA 69 and RA 8551 for other purposes. Ito dito sa 9708, naging exempted dyan ang 15 years in service na na police or more. 15 years in service na police exempted para sa 5 years reglementary period complying the educational attainment. Okay? Itong naman din na to guys is napagdaanan nyo na rin ng FSIC eh. So mabilis yun na lang din makaka-catch up, no? Okay ba? Naintindihan ba? Yan, absorb. Okay. Yan, other related laws. Republic Act 11200. An act providing for the rank classification in the Philippine National Police, amending the purpose of Section 28 of Republic Act 6975, as amended, otherwise known as Department of the Interior and Local Government Act. Yan. Itong 11200, ito yung new rank classification of PNP. Yan. Yan, ito naman, bagong batas din to. Republic Act number 11549, an act lowering the minimum height requirement for applicant of the Philippine National Police. Bureau of Fire Protection, kasama din dyan. Yung Bureau of Jail Management and Penology, kasama din dyan. Tsaka, yung Bucor, kasama din dyan. Amending the inamend na yung inamend niya yung 6975 as amended by 9263 and Republic Act 10575. Okay. Ayan, pag sinabi nating amended, sabihin dinagdagan, pinaganda palalo. Yan. Okay? Yan, powers and function. Powers and function, law enforcement, maintain the peace and order, prevent and investigates crimes and bring offender to justice, exercise the vested powers from the Philippine Constitution and pertinence laws, detain and arrested person for a period not beyond the is prescribed by the law. Tubig lang ako. Okay. Balik tayo. Naubusan ako ng ng boses. Okay? Ayan. Number 6, implements the pertinent laws and regulation of firearms and explosive control. Number 7 is supervise and control the training and operation of the security agency. That is the power and function of the Okay. Yan. Organizational setup. The PNP is composed of a national office, regional office, provincial offices, district offices, and city or municipal stations. Dito sa national level, the PNP maintains its office in Metropolitan Manila, which houses the directorial staff, service staff, and special staff. Yan yung mga police na nasa krame, sa headquarters. Yan. Pagdating naman dito sa sa regional level, the PNP have regional offices including the National Capital Region and CR. Each of these regional offices are headed by regional director. Yan. Yan yung mga Region 3, NCR. Ayan. Okay na yan. Okay na. Huwag nang balikan na. Okay na yan. Nanghingi na siya ng ng pasensya. Okay? Ito. Ayan. At the provincial level, the PNP have provincial offices. Each is headed by provincial director. In case of large provinces, yan, sa malalaking probinsya, police district may be established by the commission to be headed by district director. Okay na yan guys ha? Okay na yan. Makinig na makinig. Okay? Dito sa city or municipality level, the PNP have the city police office or municipal police station. Each headed by city director or chief of police respectively. So guys, i-discuss natin ang mga highest official in the city or municipalities, no? Yan. Dito sa sa city or municipalities, ang highest official diyan ay police major hanggang police lieutenant colonel. Pagdating naman dito sa NCR, ang mataas na official dyan ay si Police Major General. Pagdating naman kay NCR District Director, ang pinaka mataas na official ay Police Brigadier General at same sila ni Regional Director. Ang pinakamataas din na official dyan ay si Police Brigadier General. And lastly, Provincial Director, ang ranggo ay Police Colonel. Okay? Yan. Screenshot nyo to guys, or ano nyo, familiarize nyo rin to. By the way guys, pag halimbawa hindi nag-appear si Chief PNP, ang ating first on command, ang magiging ang papalit sa kanya ay si Deputy Chief PNP for actually na to, bago na eh. Police Lieutenant General for Administration. Yan yung second in command. Tapos si Police Lieutenant General for Operation. And fourth in command, that directorial staff. Okay? Yan. General qualification for appointment to the PNP, RA 6971 as amended by RA 8551 and RA 9708. A citizen of the Philippines. Yan. Yan yung mga pwedeng mag-apply sa police, no? Person with a good moral conduct must have passed the psychiatric or psychological test, drug test, and physical test to be administered by the PNP or any NAPOLCOM accredited government hospital for the purpose of determining physical and mental health. D, must possess a formal baccalaureate degree from a recognized institution of learning. 4 years graduate, 4 years course graduate. Then must be eligible in accordance with the standards set by the commission. Letter F, must not have been dishonorable discharged from military employment or dismissed for a cause from civilian position and in the government. Yan, hindi natanggal sa military and hindi rin natanggal sa mga government offices. Must not have been convicted by final judgment of an offense of crime involving moral turpitude. Letter H, must be at least 1 meter and 62 centimeter, 1.62 meters in height for male, and 1 meter and 57 for female. Letter I, must weight not more or less than 5 kilogram. Yan. From the standard weight corresponding to his or her height, age, and sex. And lastly, for a new applicant must be not less than 21 or more than 30 years old. Yan. That is the qualification for appointment in the Philippine National Police. Okay? Yan. Ito yung mga eligibilities na para makapag-apply sa Philippine National Police. Yan. Number 1, nandiyan si NAPOLCOM or PNP Entrance Examination. Yan. Si RA 11131, tsaka yung mga dating pumasa sa 6506 as registered criminologist. Number 3, RA 1080, bar and board examination of other baccalaureate degrees. Yan, kasi pwedeng mag-apply sa PNP ang may license ng teacher, license ng doktor, yan, license ng nurse, yan. Number 4, PD 907, granting civil service eligible to college honor graduates. Yan, yung mga magna cum laude, summa cum laude. Pwede kayong mag-apply doon. Then number 5, civil service professional examination. Opo. Pwede po, pwede. Basta po, ayan, honor student ka po, pwede ka mag-apply. Pwede mo kunin. Yan sa civil service office ang eligibility mo. Yun, no? Marami pala tayong cum laude dito eh. Okay? Ayan. Police officers ranks. Police Commission Officer or PCO. From Police Lieutenant to Police General. Pag non-commission officer naman, mga police non-commission officer or police, ayan, or PNCO, mula kay patrolman hanggang kay police executive master sergeant. Ayan. Ito, ayan. Dati, sa 69, RA 6975, ito yung dating rank natin. Ranking certification. Ayan. Sa PO1, PO2, PO3, Senior Police Officer. Pero nung dumating si 11200, ayan, ito na yung new rank classification ng PNP. Abbreviation naman, yan yung pinaikling pangalan. Yan, pinaikli. Opo, pang PNP po ang NAPOLCOM. Pang PNP lang po. Okay? Na screenshot nyo na to ba, mga ano, guys? Na screenshot nyo na ba to? Yan. Okay? Dito sa abbreviation, may tinatanong dyan sa NAPOLCOM, ha? Opo, hindi po pwede doon. May sarili po silang exam doon at ang nagbibigay po ng exam nila ay civil service. Ayan, tinanong kung ano yung abbreviation ng Police Major General. Ganun lang naman. Anong abbreviation ng ng first colonel? Okay? Ay, sila lang. Sumobra. Okay. So, kinds of appointment na tayo. Meron tayong dalawa. Permanent at temporary. Dito sa permanent, when applicant possess the upgrade general qualification for appointing in the PNP, yan. Magiging permanent ka pag nalagpasan mo pa yung qualification nila sa PNP. Ang temporary naman, any PNP personnel who is admitted due to waiver on weight requirements. Yan, yung sobra sa timbang tapos pinagbigyan na lang at binigyan ng waiver for weight. And all other personnel pending the completion of the PSBRC and FTP. Yan, yung hindi pa, wala pa, kulang pa sila sa training dyan. Sa public safety, basic recruitment course, tsaka sa field training program. Okay? Ayan. Itong, yung mga ranggo na yan, tatandaan nyo yan, ha? Appointment, uniform PNP personnel. It is the patrolman to police executive master sergeant. Pag regional, pag appointed by the regional director or regional personnel by, ayan, pag province yan, ang mag-appoint dyan ay regional director, pero pag headquarters or sa krame, ang mag-appoint dyan ay si Chief PNP. From patrolman to police executive master sergeant. Then tatandaan nyo, pag patrolman, isang bubong lang yan. Pag police corporal, yan, 2 bubong. Pag police staff sergeant, 3 bubong, 3 bubong, pero meron siyang guhit sa baba. Tapos yan, kulay red yung gitna. Then pagdating naman dito sa sa police master sergeant, yan, 3 bubong ulit. Tapos 3 guhit sa baba. Pag police senior master sergeant naman, 3 bubong, 4 yung guhit sa baba. Pagdating kay police chief master sergeant, ayan, 3 bubong, 5 guhit sa baba. Tapos kay police executive master sergeant, ayan, 3 bubong, at 5 guhit sa baba, pero may star sa gitna. Ayan. Teka lang. Okay? So, move. Yan, appointment of uniform PNP personnel ulit from police lieutenant to police lieutenant colonel. Or sa dating rango nila, from inspector to superintendent. Ang appointed authority diyan ay si Chief PNP. Pagdating naman kay police colonel to police lieutenant general, ang appointed authority na diyan ay si president. Pero dapat rekomendado yan ni Chief PNP. Okay? Okay. Pagdating naman kay police general, wala nang ibang mag-appoint kundi si president. Okay, naintindihan? Absorb? Yun. Absorb. Yun. Yan. Promotion system. Dito na tayo. Okay. Promotion system. Yan. Promotion is defined as the upward movement from one classification or rank to another carrying higher benefits and the responsibility. Ang promotion, guys, yun yung tataas yung posisyon mo, matataas yung rango mo, pero hindi lang rango ang tumataas, pati ang responsibility tumataas din dyan. It is the upgrading of rank and or advance to a position of leadership. Yan. Meron tayong tatlong klaseng promotion. Yan ay ang regular promotion, special promotion, at promotion by virtue of position. Yan. Dito sa regular promotion, promotion is granted to a police officer meeting the mandatory requirements for promotion. Ano ba yung mga requirements pagdating sa regular promotion? Yan, meron tayong tatlong criteria for regular promotion. Unang-una, andyan yung training or schooling. Yan. Andyan yung training or schooling. Pangalawa, promotional examination. Dito sa promotion, mula kay patrolman hanggang kay police corporal, from police corporal to police staff sergeant, 2 years. Kay police staff sergeant to police master sergeant is 3 years. Pagdating naman kay police master sergeant hanggang kay police senior master sergeant ay 2 years. Kay police senior master sergeant hanggang kay chief master sergeant ay 2 years ulit. Ayan. Kay police chief master sergeant hanggang kay police executive master sergeant, 2 years again. Pag gusto mo namang maging official na, from police executive master sergeant hanggang kay police lieutenant ay 3 years. Mula kay police lieutenant hanggang kay police captain, 3 years ulit. To police major is 3 years. From police major to police lieutenant colonel is 3 years. From police lieutenant colonel hanggang kay police colonel, 3 years. From police colonel to police brigadier general ay 2 years. Yan. Ilang months ang tenure ng police general? 4 years. 4 years po. Ay, yan naman po ang tinatawag ng lateral entry. Yan pwede yung yung from patrolman tapos gusto mong maging ng police lieutenant agad. Yan. Magla-lateral entry po ang tawag diyan. Nga pala, pagdating kay civilian, ang age requirements ng lateral entry ay 21, not less than 21 and not more than 30. Yan ang age requirements pagdating sa lateral entry nga. Pagdating naman sa in service na police, ang age requirements ay maximum na siya sa 46 years old. Gets? Gets ba? Gets? Tungkol dun sa lateral? Okay. Opo, police staff sergeant at least. Pag pag in service ka na. Opo, same lang. Same lang yung age limit nila. Pati po sa BJMP. Opo. Di na po need mag-exam ng ng NAPOLCOM promotional examination pag RCRIM ka na. Okay? Ano pa? Pag 35 years old, ginagamitan na po siya ng age waiver. Yan. Opo, kailangan pa po mag-take ng promotional exam pag CSE. Okay? Okay na, continue na daw tayo. Ayan. Okay na? Continue na tayo, continue. Yan. Dito sa special promotion, promotion is granted to police officer who have exhibited acts of conspicuous courage and gallantry at the risk of his her life above and beyond the call of duty. Dito sa special promotion, tinatawag din yan on-the-spot promotion, meritorious promotion, o sa madaling sabi, yan ang kakaibang tapang ng isang police officer na kayang ibuhis ang yung buhay mo para iligtas ang iba. Yan, diyan binibigay yung special promotion. Okay? Okay? So, continue. Yan, ito naman promotion by virtue of position. Any PNP personnel designated to any key position whose rank is lower than that which is required for such position shall, after 6 months of occupying the same, be entitled to a rank adjustment corresponding to a position. Ayan. Ito naman yung promotion by the virtue of position. Halimbawa, kung ang rango mo ay police major general, tapos nilagay ka sa police pang rango ng police lieutenant general for operation. 'Di ba ang kailangan na rango doon ay police lieutenant general? After 6 months mong kung andyan ka pa rin sa position na 'yan, kung andyan ka pa rin sa position na 'yan after 6 months, automatic iraranggo ka na. Tataasan na yung rango mo diyan. Kasi hindi naman pwede na pang major general yung rango mo, tapos yung position mo ay pang police lieutenant general. That is the promotion by virtue of position. Okay? Ayan, tulad ng sinabi ni Lorenzana. Ganyan. Ganyan po ang promotion by virtue of position. Okay? So, long-lived pay. Yan. Dito natutuwa yung mga pulis eh. Pag mga ganyan, mga pay na eh. A uniformed personnel of the PNP is entitled to a long-duty pay of 10% of the basic monthly salaries for every 5 years. Okay? Teka lang. Guys, break muna tayo. 15 minutes lang. Fifteen minutes lang ha. Teka lang. Okay? Ano tayo yan? Longevity pay. A uniform personnel of the PNP is entitled to longevity pay of 10% of basic monthly salary for 5 years. Yan. Of service, which is reckoned from the date of the personnel's original appointment in the AFP or appointed in the police, fire or jail, or other allied services to the integration of the PC and the INP. The totality of such longevity pay should not exceed 50% of basic pay. It should also continue to enjoy the subsistence allowance, quarters allowance, floating allowance, cost of livings allowance, hazard pay, and all the other allowances that provide by existing law. Yan. Yan yung mga makukuha every year ng ating mga uniformed personnel. Yan. Yan diyan natutuwa yung mga yung mga uniform personnel natin sa mga pay na yan. Yan. Pagdating naman dito sa permanent physical disability, yan yung mga yan yung mga napuputulan ng paa, kamay, ulo. Yan. It refers to any impairment of the body which is rendered PNP member indefinitely incapable of substantially performing the mandate of duties and function of his position. Yan. Pag halimbawa, may naputol na part ng katawan mo na makakaapekto sa trabaho mo sa PNP, yan ay permanent physical disability. Yan. Pero magkakaroon ka ng 1-year salary and to lifetime pension equivalent to 80% of his last salary. in additional to other benefits as provided under the existing law. Kaya kayo, pag naging pulis kayo, paputol agad kayo ng ulo. Joke lang. Paputol kayo ng kamay. Ganyan. At least meron kayong 1 year salary, di ba? Tapos lifetime pension equivalent to 80%. Ang laki pa rin. Yan pwede ulo sa baba. Okay? So, ayan. Dito naman tayo sa retirement or separation. Any personnel who is dismissed shall be retired is he or she has rendered at least 20 years of service and separated if he or she has rendered less than 20 years of service unless the personnel is disqualified by law to receive such benefit. Yan. Ang pinagkaiba ng separated tsaka sa retirement, he is pag gumawa ka ng kalokohan, ayan, yung mga benefits mo na yan, hindi mo makukuha. Pero pag nag-retired ka, optional retirement, yan, may makukuha ka pa dyan. Ito, kinds of retirement. Meron tayong compulsory retirement when PNP uniform personnel reach the age of 56 years old. Yan, pag umabot na yung PNP personnel ng 56 years old, yan po ang tinatawag nating compulsory retirement na naabot niya na yung o nga sana nga umabot ng 56. Pero kaya yan. Kaya yan. Huwag ka lang gagawa ng kolokohan sa loob, no? Yan. Pangalawa, optional retirement under the Section 40 of RA 6975. An officer or non-officer may optionally retire provided he has rendered 20 years of satisfactory service with the approval of the NAPOLCOM. Ayun. Dito sa optional retirement, at least nakaabot ka ng 20 years na nagtatrabaho hindi 20 years old. Nagtatrabaho sa loob ng PNP. Yan. Pwede kang mag-optional retirement. Pero kailangan na ng approval kay NAPOLCOM. Ay hindi po. Hindi naman po agad-agad. Siyempre may mga asikasuhin ka pang niyan, mga papeles, mga requirements na kailangan para makuha mo yung benefits mo. Yan. Okay? So, ito na yung mga retirement benefits. The PNP member who has been retired from the service is entitled to a monthly retirement pay of 50% of the base pay, longevity pay of the retired grade in the case of 20 years of active service. Yan. Increasing by 2.5% for every year of active service rendered beyond the 20 years to a maximum of 90% for a 36 years active service and over. Ayan. Pag nakaabot ka ng 20 years in service, yan. Every year, tumataas yung retirement benefits mo ng 2.5% hanggang hanggang 90% maximum. Okay? Yan, dito na tayo sa other bureaus. Hindi naman to masyadong less important lang naman to. Pero ayan, ito sa BFP. yan yung ano nila, yan yung trabaho nila, responsible for prevention and suppression of all destructive files on building. Yan. Key position, ang head nila ay Fire Bureau with the rank of Fire Director. Shall have the position of title of Chief of the Fire Bureau. Yan. He shall be assisted by 2 deputy chiefs, 1 for administration and 1 for operation. As a chief of the directorial staff, all the rank is chief superintendent. Yan to. Other bureaus. Bureaus of isa pa si Bureau of Jail Management and Penology. Yan. Function naman nito, power and function naman nito, shall exercise supervision and control over all city, municipality, and district jails. The provincial jails shall be supervised and controlled by the provincial government within its jurisdiction. Guys, by the way, hindi pa pala naaprubahan na si BJMP na ang hawak ng ng provincial jail. Opo, ibibigay ko po lahat ng PPT. Para meron kayong mabalikan. Ayan. Teka lang. Ayan. Key position, the head of the jail bureau with the rank of jail director shall have the position title of Chief of Jail Bureau. He shall be assisted by 2 deputy chiefs, 1 for administration ulit and 1 for operation, as well as chief of the directional staff, under the rank with the chief superintendent. Yan, dito na tayo sa Philippine Public Safety College. There is a hereby created by the Philippine Public Safety College, PPSC, which shall be the premier educational institution for the training. Yung tanong mo ay hindi naman ata connected na sa ating topic na yan. Hindi na siya connected, buddy. No? Dinaanan lang natin siya. Yan. Okay? Ito. Saan na tayo? Premier Education Institution for the Training, Human Resource Development, and Continuing Education of all personnel of the PNP Fire and Jail Bureaus. By the way, itong PNP, nasa na to? Nasa PNPA na. Ang dito sa PPSC ay focus na sila kay Fire and Jail Bureaus. Composition shall consist the present Philippine National Police Academy, established pursuant to Section 13 of Presidential Decree number 1184, the Fire Service Training Center, the Philippine National Training Center, and the National Police College, and other special training center as may be created by the department. Okay, dito na tayo sa PNP seal and symbolism, no? Okay? Okay? Dito na tayo sa PNP seal and symbolism. Yan. Si Lapu-Lapu yung sikat dito lagi, no? Okay? Yan. Si Lapu-Lapu, laging sikat yan. Lalo na kay AFP and PNP. Kasi siya nga yung father of ah, Philippine Army and Philippine National Police. Opo, ipPDF ko po pag sinend sa inyo para di na kayo mahirapan. Para pwede nyo i-print. Okay? So, yan. Ang symbol na Lapu-Lapu Hero, the great Filipino hero of Mactan, the prototype of the best and most noble in the Filipino manhood, who is the symbol of embodiment of all genuine attributes of leadership, courage, nationalism, self-reliance, and people based on people power community. Ayan. Lapu-Lapu is also personifies for us today civilian constitution authority. Yan. Ang tanong dito last time kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng symbol ng Lapu-Lapu Hero. Yan, hanapin niyo lang tong yung ito. Attributes of leadership courage, genuine attributes of leadership courage, nationalism, self-reliance, and people based on people power community. Yan po ang lumabas last time. Okay? Tapos, next, L'Oreal naman. Yung L'Oreal, guys, ito yan, yung nasa baba. Yan. Yung kulay green, yan yung L'Oreal, ha? L'Oreal, green flower with 14 leaves symbolize the regional 14 regional commands. It is also a symbol of honor, dignity, and the privilege of being a member of noble organization, where the call to the public service is part of excellence and commitment to the public trust. Yan. Symbolize yan sa 14 regional commands ang L'Oreal leaves. Hindi, nakabase tayo sa sa logo eh. Sa logo. Yan, sa logo. Yan. Okay? Itong shield, the symbol of the Philippines. Alam ko lumabas din to eh, right? Yung mga yung nag-take class na Polcom. 'Di ba? Lumabas tong shield. Guys, 'di ba lumabas tong shield? Ano yan? Yan. Yan. Itong shield, the symbols of the Philippine Constabulary, the First National Police by virtue of organic act of number 175 enacted by the Philippine Commission on July 18, 1901. The Philippine Constabulary, for the close to 90 years of service to the nation, has performed with honors, professionalism, and courage. Okay guys, tatandaan, shield, symbolize that has performed with honor, professionalism, and courage. Ano naman ang 3 stars? Yan naman ang nagsisymbolize ng Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And ang 1,700 islands and the territorial integrity wherein the national police must enforce the law and maintain peace and order with professionalism, zeal, and dedication in keeping with the highest ideas and tradition of service to our country and people. Again, service, honor, and justice. Meron din to sa badge, no? Sa badge. Mamaya. Added distinct ideas for the officer, men, and women of the PNP to ensure efficiency, integrity, and cohesiveness, camaraderie. Pag sinabi natin camaraderie, pagkakaisa. Yan, pagkakaisa ng mga ng mga kapwa PNP, and equanimity to enhance community acceptance and support to attain at its mission of peacekeeping and law enforcement. Ano naman yun saan? It symbolizes the flowering, maturing, and ultimate realization of the glorious evolution of the PCINP into National Police Organization. National in scope and civilian in character, as sabi nga ng 1987, but 1986 yan. Wala, 1987 Philippine Constitution. Yan. Ano nga ulit ang related laws sa PNP sa ating 1987? Oo nga eh. Naubusan na ng laway, kailangan magtubig na magtubig. May nakakaalam ba, may nakakatanda ba? Related laws about the PNP in 1987 Constitution? Anong article? Anong section? Yan. Article 16, Section 6. Hindi pwedeng magkabaliktad yan guys ha. May ganyan kasi mga tanong. Nililito kayo. Ang nakalagay, Section 16, Article 6. Tandaan nyo lagi. Yan, dito na tayo sa PNP badge. Symbolize. Teka lang guys, nawawalan ako ng boses. Okay? Dito na tayo sa PNP badge symbolism. Yan, ito rin daw yung lumabas last NAPOLCOM examination. May nagtanong kanina, ano daw yung pinakamahirap na area sa NAPOLCOM? Pagkakaalam ko sa mga nag-take dati, sabi nila daw, nahihirapan sila sa math. Nahihirapan sila sa math. Yun, di ba? Maraming agree dyan kasi pag CRE matatalino talaga sa math yan eh. Pati sa sa English. Matatalino yung mga CRE. Yun, no, reasoning. Binabawi sa iba. Opo. Sa nung last time halos puro math daw yung lumabas. Kaya kayo, huwag kayo magfo-focus sa isang sa isang subject lang. Pag-focusan nyo lahat. Pagbigay kayo ng oras sa ganitong subject. Di kasi natin alam kung ano yung ang nilalabas ni lecturer, ni examiner, di ba? Malay nyo, dito naman sa PNP Law and History kinuha yung tanong. Yung maraming tanong, di ba? Tapos sunod sa English naman. Kaya pag-focusan nyo lahat, huwag kayo magfo-focus sa iba. Ayan, vocabulary. Ewan ko ba bakit may math pa, no? Ayan. So, ito, PNP badge and symbolism na tayo. Itong Philippine Monkey Eating Eagle, the national bird, ito yan guys Yan Yan yung nasa taas ng officer. Ang tawag dyan, Philippine Monkey Eating Eagle, the national bird. Yan, ito yon yung nasa taas ng officer. Okay, wala na, nagwawala si Lord Ernick. Lumabas daw to. Remember guys, ang tawag dyan ay Philippine Monkey Eating Eagle. Symbolize as swiftness and ferocity, power, courage, and immorality. That is the Philippine Monkey Eating Eagle, the national bird. Kasi baka mamaya may sumagot na Philippine Eagle lang, di ba? O kaya Eagle. Kompletuhin nyo pag kayo yung sasagot sa exam. Ito. Next, itong shield. Yan. Yung kalasag, yung nasa gitna. Yung kalasag nasa gitna. Yung andyan si Lapu-Lapu, di ba? Okay? Yan. Symbolize as protection of all citizens. Tandaan, yung PNP shield, yan yung nasa gitna. Yan symbolize as protection of all citizens. Ayan. Yung 8 sun's rays, yung walong guhit ng araw represent as the 8 provinces whose ideal of courage, gallantry, patriotism led their revolt against Spain. Sino nakakaalam dito ng ng 8 provinces na yon? Paki-type nga sa chat box kung nakakaalam. Cavite, Bulacan, Nueva Ecija, okay? Okay? Yan. That is the 8 provinces whose yan yung ideas, courage, gallantry, patriotism lead to the revolt against Spain. Yan yung ano, nagre-represent sa 8 suns rays. Yung mga guhit sa ano, sa bilog ng ano, ng araw. Yan oh. Yung nasa gitna din kung saan naka ano, kung saan naka patong si ano, ay hindi, nakapaloob si Lapu-Lapu. 'Di ba may nakikita kayong guhit na ano, guhit, walong guhit na yan, diyan naka ano, diyan naka symbolize, yan yung ano, nagsi-symbolize sa 8 provinces. Okay? Yung 3 stars, ganun din sa ano, sa logo ng PNP, stands for Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, which constitute the republic territorial integrity over which the PNP must enforce the law and maintain peace and order with professionalism, zeal, and dedication in keeping with the highest ideas, tradition, service to God, country, and people. Okay? Yan. Service, honor, and justice. Meron din yan doon sa logo. Tondo. Kailan pa nagkaroon ng tondo sa 8 provinces? Very good. Saan banda sa tondo? Yan. Okay. Yan yung ano, yung panay na sinasabi nyo, yan yung dati. Eh, di ba binago na rin yung tawag? Kahit naman sa, ano eh, sa current eh. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao na eh. Yan yung dati yung Panay Island. Okay? Service is the variant, cogent, deeds, and action in response to the needs and wants of the people in distress. Honor could be overriding preparation and consideration and performance of their entrusted task or mission. And justice naman, dispense to everyone whatever is due to him without favoritism and discrimination of any sort. Okay? Ayan na. Si Lapu-Lapu nagsisymbolize as the bravery of the Philippine National Police. Ang laurel sleeves symbolize the competency, brilliance, and honor in the field of endeavor expected from each and every member of the PNP. And yon. Lastly, the Philippine National Police. Ang pagkakalanlan, the identity of solidarity. Ano, di ko kasi ma-highlights kasi naka-ano ko eh. Naka PowerPoint eh. Pag sinend ko na lang sa inyo, tsaka ako i-highlights. Okay lang ba? Matapos na rin naman tayo. Ayan. Thank you and best luck of you, guys. Opo, isi-send ko agad. At guys, lagi ko tong binabanggit pag tuwing nag-ano ako, nagle-lecture ako eh. Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you are right. Anong sinasabi ni Henry Ford dito? Yan. Anong sinasabi ni Henry Ford dyan? Pag iniisip mong babagsak ka. 'Di ba? Pero pag iniisip mo naman na ano, na confidence ka, papasa ka, mas gagalingan mo. 'Di ba? Kasi kung ano yung sinasabi ng utak mo, yun yung ginagawa mo. Kung sinasabi mong babagsak ka, edi tatama rin ka mag-review. Ganun lang yung guys. Yan yung pinanghahawakan ko nung ako'y magte-take din. Yan. Yan, magtatap. Dahil ganyan dapat yung mindset. Kasi pag inisip nyo magtatap kayo, susunod na yung pagpapasa. Pagpasa, no? Okay? Yan. Dito. Lagi namin tong nilalagay sa mga notes nyo, no? Sa CHOPS Review Center, kayo ang bida at susunod na Napolcom passer. At yun lang at maraming salamat.